Welcome to Teach The Alamo STEAM. We're so delighted to have you here. Woo! And I am so delighted that teachers are the ones that are helping us to inaugurate the first event in the Texas Cavaliers Education Center. Thank you.
Literally just flabbergasting. Whenever you walk in, it's just so much to take in. It's just so beautiful. They've done such an amazing job with it.
Well, we can spread out. We have room to have different stations and move around.
Oh, I can totally foresee kids everywhere, especially the early learners lab. And I can just imagine kids just running around in here, getting messy and using all of the hands-on activities to just learn and have a great time.
If they look up, they look sideways, there's something to learn wherever they look in here, and I think they're gonna love it. I think every teacher should come to the Alamo.